Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Death Stranding Error code 51003. Unable to log in to Death Stranding game server. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue Death Stranding Error code 51003, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to open your command prompt. Just click on the start menu, then type here cmd. Right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow. Here you need to reset your DNS and IP addresses. For that you need to type or just copy paste from my video description link some of the command. You can see ipconfig space / plus DNS. Just right click, copy and go to the top of the command prompt window, click on edit and click on paste and hit enter. Copy the second command, net winsock reset. Copy, just right click, edit, paste. Go to the third command, paste, hit enter. Guys, after doing this, just close this window and close this window. Now you need to go to the local area connection. For that, just right click on your Wi-Fi or internet icon on the taskbar. Just click on network and internet setting, click on Ethernet. After that, you can see here under related settings you will find more network adapter option. Just click on that, select your internet through which you have connected. You have connected through Wi-Fi or through local area connection. I have connected internet through my Wi-Fi. Just right click on that and click on properties, click on internet protocol version TCP/IP4, double click on that. You can see here use the following DNS server address. Here you type 8.8.8.8. come to the second box, 8.8.4.4. click on OK and click on OK and close this window. Guys, after doing this, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Death Stranding Error code 51003. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.